With the API technology and everyone going to ISO 20022, it's almost becoming a plug and play.
Right.
And literally as a FI, I can plug into the best-in-kind services and then put it all together and provide that level of super competitive, efficient services to your customers.
Welcome in, everybody. You're listening to Wrestling Payment.
When the business says, we want to do cross-border payments, I don't want to come to your branch, or your services, it takes 3 to 4 days, your pricing is not competitive, you don't have the currency that we are dealing with. That's a big issue right now because, supply chain has moved out of China and has gone mostly to Southeast Asia, Vietnam being a hot destination, and Philippines. And now they're looking for Vietnamese dong, that's the name of the currency, Philippine pesos, and you don't offer that because you only offer G7, the common currencies. You can simply take our platform, white label it. It takes 2 weeks to white label. You put your logo, color, everything else on it, and you just extend that service to your business client, and they will just get on. They do all the transactions. KYC, AML, everything else is done behind the scene, and we do get audited by State Banking Commission, so we actually have a higher standard than most of the FIs when it comes to cross-border payments. And the best part, you monetize it immediately.